Did you know more than 90% of buyers only look online when house hunting? It's more critical than ever to let people get a feel for your house just by looking online. Crane Realty is using 3D imaging and drone technology to take images few other agents can offer. Being different means your house gets more attention. It leads to more offers, faster sales, and higher price. We back this by giving you a detailed report every week that shows how your property is doing. We maximize your buyer pool with other tools as well. Search engine optimization helps more people find your house via websites like Google. We also syndicate our listings with more than 300 popular real estate websites. If you used Realtor.com or Home Finder, you've probably already come across one of our listings. 3D imaging and aerial footage doesn't just make your property look great. Out-of-state buyers can now tour your house without having to get on a plane or take that long-distance drive. Reaching more buyers can only be a good thing for your sale. Here's how Crane Realty is different. Our talent and technology is all in-house. Our aerial footage is taken by Crane Realty's FAA certified pilot, and our 3D imaging is taken with Crane Realty's owned 3D camera. These high-end images are usually reserved for lakefront million-dollar homes. We're opening that door to you. We'll work with you to decide the best way to showcase your property. Our clients' homes sell quickly because they're set up for success. We'll also send you a free, no-obligation comparable market analysis so you can see what your home is worth. Take a moment to fill out the info box below so we can tell you more about our 9-step marketing plan. And even more importantly, learn about your plan and how we can help you. As experts in the Finger Lakes, we are looking forward to working with you.